What is going on, you guys? We are back out here and it is currently New Year's Eve here in Sydney. So I am with Chinny and Chris Bagus, and we are just going to get set up and shoot some POV photography for New Year's Eve. So let's get straight on into it. Okay, so I have my X100 Fuji here ready for action. Let's just point it down a bit further and let's just pull this screen out. So yeah, we're gonna try and challenge ourselves today and stick with the Fuji. So let's go.
I don't really like this film shit.
you gotta scroll it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What a noob. Do you want to go through here? Up here? Yeah, up here.
I'm gonna ask the fucking strangers if I'm gonna fly that, alright?
Do it. Okay, so that's probably a little bit bright. Just gonna bump the ISO down a little bit. Just gonna take that shot. And just remember, your first shot, what was your worst shot?
Yeah, no, that's useful. Alright, film's weird, mate. I don't get used to film.
That's alright.
Also, Olga just asking me for a photo.
Do you want to scooch for me? Thanks. And we'll get a landscape of that one.
Portrait shots with the film.
Sorry?
I'll try some portraits.
Yeah, try some portraits. Why not?
Yeah, I know. I'm not a stranger.
Oh, he's pretty bold today, isn't he?
I don't know.
Okay, so on 1/4000th of a second for the shutter.
Fucking hell, I'm not really
You get it? You gotta.
mate.
Yeah. You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. I'll take a photo of you. Take a photo. Oh, did you see that flash go off?
You're good.
Yeah, let's go. Favorite. Oh, I think I'll see dark. Good shot. Hopefully, I think it's a bit dark. Let's show this guy crossing the road. Keep carrying on. It's not too bad. Look at that one.
Street photographer.
Pretty sick of the city. Let's continue on. So basically what I'm looking at, guys, basically just sort of looking for interesting ways to show the city, especially since it's New Year's Eve. Kind of want to get that that height gone on. Get that one of the gentlemen walking up here. And let's just check that one out. I think I come up with that. Take a tram picture. How original. This guy talking. Looks pretty interesting. Yeah, it is.
It's interesting learning it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, 100%. Can we get a picture of this guy? Oh, sorry. I'm actually, I think this crossing really cool. Get a picture of these guys crossing. Alright, let's keep on moving on. Okay. Here, shoot these guys outside Skongcha. And shoot a nice environmental shot down here. And then, why don't we shoot a shot up here actually? Actually, look at this tram going past here. Well, wait for this yellow bike. Now let's have a look. Not a bad composition. Right there. Let's increase the ISO a little bit. A little bit bright, but that's alright. Picture these guys over here. Don't mind that framing. Framing looks pretty good. Seems to be nice and sharp from what I can see, but could be wrong. Let's continue on. So there's a place in here that has like a whole bunch of like arcades and stuff.
Oh, you turn this yeah. Yeah.
Is that what you were talking about?
Yeah, I was meant like it's the same arcade, it's just different locations.
Yeah.
I've been here. It's just so weird. Like, when you want it, I want to take a photo of you. You go, oh yeah, just look at it. It's just so fucking weird. Doesn't matter. At least it's true. It's like, yeah.
Did you take a shot?
What?
Did you take the shot?
What?
Did you take a shot?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. That one's composition here. Buildings. That's pretty cool.
I did take the piss out of it as well.
Did you ask him to take the photo?
No, I just fucking took it.
Oh really?
Yeah, I didn't give a shit.
That's savage. We'll walk back through this way. Okay, so we've just come outside. We're just gonna go back through this way to the other side. Take a shot out here. block. Flag shot. Hey. It was a bit overexposed, but I think make that work. Down to 10.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Loading the art of film. Relax, someone. I'm going for a reflection shot.
Well, that's what I was trying, to be honest. Maybe down here. That's just pretty cool silhouette shot.
Fuck, that's a cool shot. I want to get it.
Get a shot with me, get a shot?
No, I want to get this guy.
Get a shot. That's fair enough. Okay, I think that turned out pretty well from that silhouette. Pretty cool. Like that one. That's a good one.
Okay.
Dark for those.
In a couple of shots.
Yeah, it does not lie.
Yeah, I might go digital rack today and just fucking once I finish this.
Yeah, if they're open, do it. Alright, so it's probably down to 50. That's a big shot, I think.
Shots.
6 shots.
I don't want to lose it for.
Right. It's gonna be really good 6 shots, that's for sure.
This guy. There we go.
Good one?
I'm proud.
That's pretty neat.
You said they were pretty fun.
Keep going straight along here. Keep going straight. That hits the sun part as well. I just like the symmetry here. And this guy? Nice. Let's put that one up. I like kind of looking up at the buildings. They're kind of cool to capture. Get a shot of this guy. back down George Street?
Yeah.
Want to keep going along this street? Yeah. Where's your zoom lens? That's what I thought. Let's show this cool city street. That's pretty cool. You go, you go. This actually looks super sick. Take the photo again. Take the photo again like that. Yeah, yeah. Bro, that's a shot.
Hey, let's go.
Sick, right?
Yeah, that will feel. Let's go digital.
See, that's what I was talking about. And actually, that's a pretty cool shot. Looking up at the building. It has that infinity look to it, which is kind of cool. So yeah, we're just working our way towards the next shop to get Chinny's film developed. And then, yeah. Like I think it's a pretty cool shot as well. Yeah, we'll grab some quickly. Alright guys, I am going to wrap it up here. We are just about at our destination. Hope you guys enjoyed this little Fuji X100 POV street on New Year's Eve. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and don't forget to check out the guys, link in bio. But otherwise, we'll see you next time. See ya!